very good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 6 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the latest news update. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata Singh and Katrigao AC MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan extended their wishes for Eid al-Fitr to the people of the state, especially the Muslim community. In his message to the people, the speaker sought blessings of Allah to guide the people in all important tasks. Katrigao AC MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan, in his message, prayed for Eid al-Fitr to strengthen the bond of brotherhood, peace and harmony in society. He also urged the people to help the vulnerable and needy people by making donations to charitable causes. Heavy storm in the afternoon today caused traffic jam at Mayai Lambi Road near Uchiwa. Due to heavy storm, an electric pole broke and fell, leading to the traffic jam. Public have requested the concerned department to repair the electric pole at the earliest to avoid inconveniences to the public. Eid al-Fitr, feast of breaking the fast after the Islamic holy month Ramadan. AMSO wishes all the oppressed subjects from Manipur to Palestine a very pleasant and happy Eid al-Fitr, wishing that the festival bring the entire humanity peace and prosperity, and the Almighty grants us the endurance, patience and good health and safety and the ability to humanize both the oppressed and oppressors. The day also marks an infamous historic incident where more than 140 Muslims were targeted and killed mercilessly. 29 years later, justice is still due for the Muslim community. No FIR has been progressed or taken up against the perpetrators. AMSO terms it genocide. The genocide broke the bond between Muslim and Meitei community with none or least representation in the political dynamics. The impact is still present and the Muslim community is still lagging behind in every sphere of development. AMSO appeals to all the brothers and sisters to pray for the deceased and for the justice on this auspicious day of Eid al-Fitr. When one learns to respect others instead of holding grudges of race superiority and supremacy, we will learn to live as one. The land will progress only when we are united, but not with one community's supremacy. The 8th Nongin Kumhei 2022 Manipuri Music Video Festival, which was slated to be held on May 8th, has been postponed to May 22nd. A statement issued by Film Forum Manipur added that the last date for submission of forms in this connection has been extended to May 7 instead of May 2nd. Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD Imphal kicked off the fortnight observation of Swachhata Pakhwada 2022 with the cleaning of its Takilpat campus yesterday. The Swachhata Pakhwada, launched by Government of India, is a fortnight-long program observed to ensure mass participation of citizens in Swachhata activities and to truly transform Swachh Bharat into a citizens' movement. The cleaning of the campus and its approach road from Takil Road was led by Professor Pulok Mukherjee, director of the institute, and joined by scientists, students and other staff members. In continuation of the program, a cleaning and collection of plastics in and around Manipur Science Center IB and IBSD campus was carried out. 18th Executive Retail Outlet of Likla was launched today at Pauna Bazaar. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Thangjam Agro Industries, Thangjam Joy Kumar, said Thangjam Agro is providing quality edible products. He stated that there is enough resource in Manipur and encouraged the public to earn by using those resources wisely, saying there are many hardworking entrepreneurs in Manipur. Likla Brand Ambassador Bala Hijam, proprietor of Doran Enterprises, T.H. Doran, and staffs of Thangjam Agro Industries also attended the event. The outlet was launched by Likla Brand Ambassador Bala Hijam.
Liklagi physical outlet Trani Pan Suba outlet Narang Simuran the Suba outlet Tara Suba outlet Queen Pentalakwa Liklagi production see
Niklagi outlet, 18 Suba outlet, Nasi third, the Konamda, the Niklagi outlet, exclusive outlet Amalay, Mayam Soina, Mukam Silakira, and the Konamda, the Ladiba, Konamda, the Ladiba, Mayam Sijanga, Niklagi, Taste of You, Niklagi, Burger, Taste of You, and Niklagi, Namalon, so what pizza, Taste of You. Aduga, Economium, Niklagu, Nepal, and support of free, Nikla. Manipur youth kaya lipat na employment free ba habak channel company money exactly mayam ko lipat na laptop sino khata na aduga mayam ni pam da feedback tawhaning ba haping ba soy da mayam feedback loin man thamjam agro na welcome to let's congratulate and let's say all the best to the new venture of this outlet of Konamda.
Manipur in the past 24 hours registered 1 fresh cases and 0 death of coronavirus. The Manipur COVID-19 Common Control Room said the positivity rate was recorded at 3.4%. According to a release from the State COVID-19 Common Control Room, the 1 fresh case was detected from 145 samples. Let's take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more updates. Welcome back after the break. The villagers of Konsakul village, Saitu AC, Kangpokpi district, led by its chief and village authority, paid a historic visit today at Sanakonung and met with Iningto Lesemba Sanajoba. Following their tribe's tradition, Liangmai tribe presented Hiang Hirel and Pungjao to the king of Manipur since King Nautingkong and Paikomba. Recalling and following their ancestors' footprints and traditions, the present generation of Liangmai tribe came and presented Magachom to Iningto Lesemba Sanajoba. A man was found dead in Kangabok Fishery Office under Tobal District this morning. He was found hanging from the rooftop of the office building during the patrolling by VDF of Wangbal Outpost. The identity of the deceased is still unknown. MPCC President K. Meghachandra along with its MLAs visited the site of the collapse of the retaining wall of the ongoing construction of Trans-Asian Highway. The incident took place at Waitho area in Thoubal district. After reaching at the site, MPCC President Meghachandra expressed deep concern about the quality standards of the ongoing Trans-Asian Highway in Manipur. He stated that the ongoing construction of the highway from Imphal to Myanmar needs to be checked along with retesting of the quality standards of the materials used such as stones, sand, cement, iron bars, etc. There is a need for relook at the technical inputs on the construction by state government and central government. He deeply shared that the recent collapse of the new constructed retaining wall at Waitho was very unfortunate.
Commercial hub mainland India amadi akoigi Asian countries in the samnagaduri lambi ki quality se masi akoi matam charing aida yenglogi tangai phadabado ai state government appeal tawjari amasung National Highway Authority ki kangbu singa masi ki engineering gi magi engineering soribra natraga quality the soribra natraga masi ki kari the sorib no haibase in the right time akoi matam chana masi ki government gi authority na yengsin biba tangai phadaba lei maramdi akoi aina sum aige khangjabada asigi leiriba state government gi masi khudamata asigi national highway sa sembol posisi sida yahonti haibase masi asumaina hai aduna maram markanda akoi gi state government gi authority amadi masi yengjanna bagi karibata right leitrabra aduna masi athu matamda akoi gi state government gi concern department PWD na masi yengjan bi hairga collapse tawriba masi kramaina masi repairing tawduribra natraga loina thugairaga amu semduribra natraga handa sembiba mayam jinji singnaba doubt ama laiba sisu masi amu thugairaga sembidra haiba question lae.
The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur SDDCM have elected their executive members for the term 2022-23. Dhiraj Yumnam has been appointed as President, Lieutenant Colonel Lashram Lokendra as Working President, Sinam Manglem Sapam Begya and Kaisham Lokeshwar as Vice Presidents, Kaitha Lakpam Brogendrajit as General Secretary, Longjam Ratan Kumar, Moyangthem Naukamba, Lashram Briji Kishore and Pijam Shamchan as Joint General Secretaries, Khagokpam Kunder as Finance Secretary, Irom Rajan as Organization Secretary, Waikom Ananda as Publicity Secretary, Sapam Subangar as Office Administration Secretary, Ningthojam Basanta as Treasurer, Lashram Romesh as Convener of Coordinating Body, Lashram Poiraiton as co-convener of Coordinating Body, R.K. Tarak Sana as convener of Women Wing, Taunaujam Ashalata and Takalambam Maloti as co-convener of Women Wing, Namairakpam Addison as convener of Youths Wing, Jingsumbam Manglemton as Yumnam and Yumnam Rajesh as co-convener of Youths Wing, Kumukcham Rajeshwari, Ayekpam Basanta, Saurakpam Sumati, Paunam Thakaba, Ningthojam Dabeshwar, Kongbantabam Chandrakanta, R.K. Rujitan, and Assistant Secretaries Loitongbam Debachand, Akoijam Ibomcha, Taurem Khaba, Yumkhaibam Bimol, Aribam Ridimala, Laishram Saroja, Wahengbam Birchandra, Tangjam Ningthembi, Yumlembam Yaipaba, Waikom Gojan, Laishram Roman, Laishram Priya Lakshmi, and Mongjam Sobita as executive members, Moirangthem Naudalen Kumba as Chief and Huidrom Jayanta Kumar, Ningthojam Ram Singh and Dr. H. Ganesham were appointed as advisors. A closing ceremony of a 3-day mega premiere of Taroi Ahambagi Mahau was held today at MSF DS Auditorium Hall. A premiere show of the film was screened at the ceremony. VC of DM University and Raj Mohan, President of Cine Writers and Playwright Forum Manipur, Manaubi M, in charge of Song and Drama Division Regional Outright Bureau Imphal Center, G. A. Ghanapriya, Assistant Director Dhyanchan Awardee Leshangthem Anita, Chanu and Sahitya Academy awardee M. Rajan were presented in the closing event. Addressing at the event, Secretary of Home Film Production Manipur Ranjit Ningthoja said the program was organized in collaboration with civil society and cultural bodies in the idea of promoting Manipuri cinema. Actress Itoi Oinam has been appointed as the Cine Ambassador for the year 2022. Further, he added that the program will teach the upcoming artist that culture is needed along with acting to be a good artist.
Film की market से generally cinema hall से develop तो बम संगी बोले लेने ना आइकोई cinema की story ऐसे यहाँ बांकन बम संगी अरुगा आइकोई ने technology से हाथ से बम संगी वहाँ की वाट लेते ये बम से नुआई बत्ती भी बता cinema hall दे ये तब वाट तनी cinema hall develop तो मना बा state government ना लेंगा ना district headquarters सिंगा तोंगान बा याम तो बसिता याना मतंग सुनबा अपडेट तो बसिना होलसिन सिगी अकोगी मणिपुर स्टेट फिल्म डेवलपमेंट सोसाइटी को लेरिबो ऑडिटोरियम सिगुम बगी क्वालिटी दा सिट मसिंग हंदलगा गवर्नमेंट मिंग चंबीरगा सेगत पिरबदी मणिपुर सिनेमा तोंगा बिंगेंगिनी.
Kerala beat West Bengal in penalty shootout yesterday and crowned the championship of the 75th Santosh Trophy 2022. With both teams ending the 90-minute full-time action into a goal-less draw, the match continued with extra time. West Bengal got a goal in the first half of extra time, and later in the second half of extra time, Kerala got a goal only to equalize the score. As it was draw even after extra time, the match headed to penalty shootout and Kerala defeated West Bengal in 5 full goals. Before we wrap up with today's bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyavrata Singh and Gao AC MLA Shahidul Hassan extended wishes for Eid al-Fitr. And heavy storm was captured at Mayalapi Road this afternoon. That is the end of today's English Bulletin at 6 p.m. Thank you for watching.